Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. First of all, we need to download the VLC Media Player install file. For that, just open your favorite browser and search for VLC Media Player. Let me tell you that VLC Media Player is a free and open source video playing software. It is available for all the major operating system. You can even get VLC Media Player for your mobile operating system. So in this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install VLC Media Player for Windows 10 operating system. With the help of VLC Media Player, you can play your DVD players or you can even stream media. So to download, just open the link from videoland.org. Don't worry about the download link. The download link will be in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download VLC Media Player. So here you can see the current version is 3.0.11 and it is around 40 MB. If you have another operating system, then you can select your operating system from the drop down list. So we are going to download it for Windows 64-bit operating system. So this one is for 32-bit and this one is for 64-bit. Let me download this 64-bit version. Here you can see it is downloading. Let me complete the download. If your download doesn't start automatically, then you can click on this link to start your download process. So our download has been completed. Now just open this file. So let me minimize the browser. Here we need to select our language. So here are different language options. Simply select your language, then click on OK. So this is our installation window. Here you can see welcome to VLC Media Player setup. Simply click on next, and this is the license agreement. Simply continue with the license agreement. Here we have different types of installation option. One is custom, full, minimum, recommended. I will suggest you to select full, then click on next. And this is the location where your VLC Media Player is going to install. So if you have a good reason to change this location, you can change by clicking on this browse button and you can browse your location where you want to save your file. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, then click on install. So here you can see it is installing. It will take some time to install. So wait until the installation process complete. Here you can see our installation process is successfully completed. If you want to run your VLC Media Player, you can check this box. For now, I'm going to uncheck this box and click on finish. So here we have our VLC Media Player. Let me open this VLC Media Player. So this is the interface of VLC Media Player. Let me give you an overview. Here we have media option. We can open files. We can even play multiple files, folders, disks, and even we can open network stream. Here just you need to enter your network URL. Say for example, if you want to play your YouTube videos on this media player, then you just need to copy the video URL and you need to paste it here and you can simply play that video. Even you can capture your screen using VLC Media Player. So I had already made a video on how you can record your computer screen using VLC Media Player. So the video link will be on the I button or you will get the video in the description box. And if you want to do streaming, then also you have an option to do stream. And here we have playback option, audio option, video option, subtitle option, tools, views, and help. So this way you can download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10 computer. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.